Hey guys, long time no see. It is crazy times. Yeah, I hope you guys are managing to stay healthy and safe, doing a good job of social distancing. Shout out to my introverts out there because we are thriving in these circumstances. But all jokes aside, I really hope that you really are taking care of yourselves and that we are also lending a helping hand to those who need it, particularly our elderly folks and people who just don't have the essential needs that a lot of us do have. Today, I wanted to share with you this very natural self-quarantine makeup look. This is what I've been wearing when I have been going out for my walks and I just don't want to feel and look like a total bum. It's super easy. You're just gonna need a couple products and I hope you enjoy. As always, I'm starting with some sunscreen because even though you plan on being indoors all day, UV rays will still come in through your windows, and I've been taking walks outside once a day at least, and of course still avoiding everybody, but sunscreen I've still been doing every day. Next, I'm taking the Benefit Cosmetics Boing Hydrating Concealer, and I'm just gonna place a little bit under my eyes. And I'm just taking my fingers and spreading that out. I like this one because my under eye skin is pretty dry and this concealer doesn't dry out my skin, and it's very easy to apply. All you have to do is pat it in, spread it out. Next, I'm gonna take this little sample I got from Sephora. It's by Milk Makeup and it's like a 2-in-1 cheek and lip color, and this is in the shade Work. Just putting some on my cheeks and then on my lips. And again, taking my fingers, just blending that out. This is super easy. This is something I would do on like a regular day when I'm going to work too. Super quick. And those of you who are concerned about me touching my face, yes, I did wash my hands with soap and water. I've been washing my hands so diligently that my hands feel really dry these days. Okay, I'm taking this up. Could add a little bit more. And I like the consistency of this because I feel like it just gives me a nice, natural, dewy look to my skin. Makes me feel fresh and youthful. Okay, and for brows, honestly, all I've been doing is, if I'm going out, is putting some clear mascara on them, but maybe I will show you a little something to add a little bit more color or fill in the brows. So I like to brush my eyebrows. That helps to get that extra gunk and skincare and sunscreen out for a smoother application. Then I'll take a dense brush and take this eyebrow powder. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'll take some of this product, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna brush this through my eyebrows like so. And this is supposed to be a very natural look, right? It shouldn't look like I'm putting on a ton of makeup. So I'm not worrying about this being really perfect. Just filling in so the areas where my brow hairs are pretty sparse look a little bit more shapely. All right, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Same thing, just taking rough strokes. And once I put that color on, I'm gonna take this Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. This is a clear one. And I'm just gonna brush this through my eyebrows, like so. Gives it that extra definition and like that boy brow look. Same thing on the other side. And once that's set, I'll go again one more time to shape it a little more. Okay, there you go. And that's it for the eyebrows. Very easy. And eye makeup I haven't been wearing, but I have been curling my lashes. So again, I'm gonna take my spoolie, brush it. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hairs. And then I'm going to curl my lashes from the roots and going all the way up. There you go. Because who says just because you're in quarantine, you can't have flirty lashes? All right, from the roots all the way up. And then going back to my handy dandy 24-hour brow setter, I'm just gonna take this and set my eyelashes. This is gonna act kind of like a hair gel would. Just, there's no color, of course, but it's just gonna keep my lashes in place all day. I really like this product. Would definitely recommend. Oops. Ooh. Just stab myself. All right. And really, that's it. That's everything. This is how I would excuse me. If you want to add some more lip color, of course you could. So I think I'm gonna take my Dior Stellar Shine, Dior Addict Stellar Shine in Pink Meteor. This is a really natural pink color. Got it. And that's it, you guys. This is my completed, super easy, quarantine, effortless, no makeup look. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and doing okay at home. And I will see you in the next one. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.